freedom, our tricolor flag is soaring high. Yet, another year of celebrating the festival of freedom. It is a day to look back with gratitude and satisfaction. For what we are able to achieve is due to the efforts of our successive generation of freedom fighters, who were the people with rare courage. We are fortunate to herald their legacy. On the behalf of the entire St. Thomas Convent School fraternity, I would like to extend my warm wishes on this auspicious day. Happy Independence Day to all. Carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, fly in glory, moments of freedom in shade of joy, proud to be an Indian. Greetings to one and all on our 75th Independence Day. I am Kiran Kaur from St. Thomas Convent School. As we bask in glory of freedom, let us also remind ourselves to uphold our commitment and responsibility, strengthening our Indian motherland. Today, as we visit locked up and safe inside our home, the value for freedom and independence has increased manifolds. Remember, freedom has its life in the hands, action and spirits of the men. So it must be daily earned and refreshed. Let us all virtually get together and hoist our nation's pride. Let the moment swells our heart with the hope and dream of self-reliant India. Let us all now rise for the unfolding of national flag, which will be followed by national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Despite these tough times, our most ever honorable director, Reverend Father John Spadiati, has ensured that the light of knowledge with his each and every chant includes. It is his unflinching faith and belief in potential of all students that has touched, moved and inspired each one of us to score new heights. Now, I would like our respected director, Reverend Father John Spadiati, to inspire us with his motivational speech.
Dear students, teachers and parents, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year, we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our country. This day encourages each one of us the hope for better future and a sense of patriotic pride belonging to this great nation of India. Once an American visited India and went back to America when he met his Indian friend, who asked him, "How did you find India?" The American said, "It's a great country with solid culture and ancient history the varieties of natural resources. Then his Indian friend asked him, how did you feel? How did you see Indians? Indians, he asked. I did not meet any Indians in India. Then whom did you see there? He said, when I went to Kashmir, I met a Kashmiri. When I went to Punjab, I met a Punjabi. When I went to Tamil Nadu, I met a Tamilian. When I went to Bengal, I met a Bengali. And in Kerala, I met a Malayali. Then I met Sikhs, the Christians. I met the Hindus, Buddhists, Jains. And people with linguistic background. But when I went to borders of India, I met Indian Army there, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, belonging to diverse culture or religion, linguistic background. Yes, dear friends, people belonging to different religion, different culture, working for one cause, that is India. Yes, dear friends, this is a uniqueness of our nation. Diversity makes India distinguished from other places in the world. We need to be proud of this unity in diversity. This corona pandemic has taught us that we all are humans. We as humans need to fight together and support each other. May this unique Independence Day celebration unite us all as we salute the freedom fighters, soldiers, and those who have laid down their lives for our country. Let us now, in a special way, salute the Corona warriors for fighting the battle and trying to save the lives of our soldiers, our sister, our brother and Indians. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you, Reverend Father, for your inspiring words. Music is the literature of the heart. The eloquence of music and its impact on human souls can never be stressed too much. It expresses through melody, where whatever a spoken words fails to convey. Patriotic songs are the national extension to the power music has. The musical cure will now come forward and make us all sink into the depth of the patriotic feelings of our motherhood.
मेरा कर्मा तू, मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू. मेरा कर्मा तू, मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू. हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हर कर्म अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। तू मेरा कलमा, तू मेरा दरमा, तू मेरा अभिमान है। तू मेरा कलमा, तू मेरा दरमा, तू मेरा अभिमान है।
ऐ वतन महबूब मेरे, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है।
ऐ वतन महबूब मेरे, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है। हम जिएंगे और मरेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
Wow, how melodious was the song! Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words. It is the impish attempt to paint the color of it and the art of uniting pleasure and truth. Let's welcome now the students of grade 7 and 8 to recite poetry on this momentous occasion.
प्यारा प्यारा मेरा देश, सबसे न्यारा मेरा देश, दुनिया जिस पे गर्व करे ऐसा सितारा मेरा देश। चांदी सोना मेरा देश, सफल सलोना मेरा देश, गंगा यमुना की माला का फूलों वाला मेरा देश। आगे जाए मेरा देश, नित नए मुस्काए मेरा देश, इतिहासों में बढ़ चढ़ कर नाम लिखाए मेरा देश। प्यारा प्यारा मेरा देश, सबसे प्यारा मेरा देश।
Hello everyone, myself Palpit Kaur from grade 8. Today I am going to recite a poem on Independence Day. On this Independence Day, we remember the year past. We honor this very day, for our flag, old glory, has lost. On this Independence Day, 2 centuries ago, we declared independence for liberty and justice. Let us celebrate this day with great joy and honesty. Thank you and wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
तीन रंग का झंडा प्यारा लगता हमें जग से न्यारा। तीन रंग है इसके अंदर, तिरंगा है कहलाता प्यारा। केसरिए बलिदान हमारा, सफेद छाती प्रत्येक प्यारा। हरा भरा खुशहाल देश हमारा, तिरंगा है कहलाता प्यारा।
Good morning everyone, I am Anmol Singh of class 8th B. Today I am going to recite a short poem on Independence Day. Others might have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolor of my country floats very high. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Well done, my dear friends. It is the sublime duty of dance that stirs our soul and manages to create an indelible impression. The rhythmic and the passionate dancers tell us the story of our nation's glory. We now present students of class 5th for patriotic solo dance performance.
बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोल पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। देख भैया, तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है, सही सोच दुनिया को बात, कहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मेरा यार जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद, जो मेरे साथ मुझको तड़पा दिन राती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
These girls really rocked the floor. Under the able and dynamic leadership of our respected principal, Sister Rincy, we have learned to think freely and fearlessly. Sister Principal is indeed a leader for excellence, and it is my utmost pleasure and honor to invite our respected Principal, Sister Rincy, and encourage students with her invigorating vision and inspire us with her words of wisdom.
I convey my heartiest greetings to one and all on the happy occasion of Independence Day. I stand before you to express my deepest gratitude to God the Almighty for keeping us safe and sound even in the midst of COVID-19. As the nation is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, first of all, on behalf of St. Thomas family, I salute the great leaders and the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the welfare of the nation. I pay my tribute to all of them. Secondly, I salute the COVID warriors of this time, like doctors, nurses, police officials, caretakers and social workers for standing strong and shielding us throughout this pandemic. Thirdly, I salute and thank all the parents and grandparents, teachers and benefactors of our students for their struggles and sacrifices for facing the new challenges on education system due to the pandemic situations. Finally, I salute my dear children, my young sons and daughters, because you are the assets of our nation. You are the future of our country. I know the hardships, difficulties and troubles you are undergoing in the studies. Go ahead, never get tired of your good works, because success is the result of aspirations, inspirations and perspirations. Now, let me speak something about freedom. Freedom is a choice God has kept before us. Life and death, prosperity and adversity, blessings and curses. Everybody has freedom. Freedom to choose what is good or bad. Freedom to kill or save. Freedom to perish or nourish. But my question is that, do we use our freedom in a proper manner? Once it is misused, then everything is lost. We want freedom to be successful. We want freedom to be happy and make others happy. We want freedom to gain, not to lose. We want freedom to nourish, not to perish. Never forget that we are dependent upon each other. Children depend their parents in their childhood, whereas parents depend their children in their old age. So, give the best to your parents. Remember what you are today because of your parents. I conclude with an invitation to my dearly beloved children. The nation is waiting for you to wake up and to be wakened up. It needs your valuable services. High positions and powerful chairs are taken for you. Gandhiji, Nehruji and their companions gone before us, leaving the best examples for us. We enjoy their contributions of sacrifices. What is your contribution, my dear children? If she or he can, widen the eye, stand straight, hold fast values, and fly to the high positions. Yes, do something good for yourselves, something good for your family, something good for the society, something good for the nation, and something good for the whole world. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Be safe and cautious. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister, for your warm wishes. The sparkle of fire is the witness of your word. The silent flounce of the water is the witness of your softness. It is said that play, activity and imitating comes naturally to the children. So let's welcome our tiny tots dressed fancily, and I hope you will enjoy what these little bundles are going to present.
यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है,
कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है।
80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा मैं,
नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरी साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, मातरम। चलने का यू कर ले फैसला ये हम जो चूमे तो मिलता जोश है बस तेरी ही खातिर चाहिए सरफरोश है जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे आसमां तिरंगा सजाना आज है शान से सभी को बताएंगे जीत लेंगे ये सारा जहां झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया झुके तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया अब्र से इरादे हो कोशिशों के वादे हो मंजिल मिलेगी चाहे राहे खफा अब्र से इरादे हो कोशिशों के वादे हो मंजिल मिलेगी चाहे राहे हो खफा देश ये सिखाता है हिम्मतें बढ़ाता है
Thank you, my dear friends, for your creativity. Ours is a land of sages known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live in unison. Freedom is never dear at any peace. It is breath of life. These words of Mahatma Gandhi remind us to celebrate it as we strive the path of progress and prosperity. Imperatively, as it is well must remember and venerate the heroes who made it possible to breathe in freely and fearlessly. With this note, let us welcome Ramneet Kaur of class 9 to share her thoughts on the auspicious day.
Freedom in mind, faith in our words, pride in our heart, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Myself, Ramneet Kaur from 9th Red Standard, and today I'm here to give a speech on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August as a national holiday in India to commemorate the independence of our nation from United Kingdom on 15th August 1947. This was the day on which the provisions of the Indian Independence Act of 1947 came into its effect. It's the 75th independence of our nation. For every Indian in those days of slavery, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful demons, the British. It is said that our flag does not fly because the wind blows it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. On this occasion, our thoughts first turn to all those freedom fighters whose sacrifices gave us independence today. We cannot imagine that horrible movement led by our forefathers, due to which we all are living in today's society without any pressure. This day also gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence, and all these things makes it value
and cherish the freedom we have today. So be the proud citizens of our country. It's our responsibility to perform all our duties to progress and develop the growth of our nation. So, be the cause for unity. Make it a beautiful day. Jai Hind and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravneet. The tree of liberty must be refreshed from time to time with the blood of patriots and tyrants. When the past no longer illuminates the future, the spirit walks in darkness. Moving further, let's see with the creativity of our Thomsians how these young minds are ready to paint their imaginations with patriotism. really a splendid efforts of Thomsians. वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो और वो मौत भी क्या जो तिरंगे में लिपटी ना हो. To fill your hearts with patriotic fervor and to uplift your soul with the rhythm divine, the students of St. Thomas Convent School are coming right here on your screens with the scintillating dance performance. So let's welcome them and swing to the beats.
हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाते हैं कि है अल्लाह तो भी कि है अल्लाह तो भी कि अल्लाह कि तुम मेरे सोना सोना है मैं गया जहाँ बस तेरी याद जो मेरे साथ
How scholastic were the steps of these dancers. For me, every hour is grace, and I feel gratitude in my heart each time I can meet someone and look at his or her smile. I would like to maintain that thanks for the highest form of thoughts, and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. With this note, I would now like to call upon Komal ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
I would like to wish a very happy Independence Day to one and all watching the Independence Day program. After a series of innovative efforts to celebrate this historic day, we have usually come to the end of the celebration. It will not be a suitable end to today's festivities without a word of appreciation for everyone's contributions. We would like to thank all the participants for their active participation. We thank the management for the support and the infrastructure they have provided us at St. Thomas Convent School, Rajasasi. I would like to thank our director, Reverend Father Ji, Sister Ji, and dear teachers for their guidelines. Finally, we thank all the parents for being a part of unique virtual Independence Day celebration. I would like to remind everyone of the sacrifice made by the freedom fighter to make this day possible and hope we can learn from them and remember to follow their guidelines to keep every citizen safe. Thank you.
Thank you, Goma ma'am, for your words. We once again wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.